Hi guys, welcome back to Fat Boys RC. How you going out there in the real world? It's me again with another product, another one of the goodies that was sent to me by GT Power. Now, when you're racing these cars, and a lot of us do, I race on carpet. A lot of people race on dirt, and sand. So your car actually gets clogged up with all sorts of detritus. And in this instance, on the touring car and the Mini, it's carpet. So the carpet gets clogged in there. Now, one of the best ways of cleaning it is to use a fan. Now, I have been sent this little fan by GT Power, and it is called the GT Power JETFAN 2. Yeah, JETFAN 2, Now, it's a fan at the end of the day, and there are a lot of fans available on Amazon and places like that to do this job. And when you go to the club, pretty much all the drivers have got one. They use different variations, and most of them it's just a cheap one off of Amazon. This one is a specialist RC fan straight from GT Power. Now the box says you can use it as a fan if you want to, or you can use it as a cleaning implement if you want to. You can use it obviously in any sort of way that you feel you could use a fan to clean or cool. Right, so when we open the box, straight away inside the box, obviously a little bit of padding there and instruction manual. That's a nice little piece of kit, as you can see. You take it out. Oh, yeah, it's got a very good feel to it. It's heavy, it's metallic, fits in the hand really, really well. And there are a series of nozzles that come with it as well. So if you want a more direct sort of blow, narrow one, slightly wider one, and then a wide sort of cooling, sort of less sort of pressure type of head. Now, it's got a battery inside it that will charge, and I'm told by the website that it will give you 4 hours of usage time. And to charge it, you've got inside the Type-C USB cable. That will charge the lithium LiPo battery inside it, which is a 1100 milliamp hour battery. Now this fan itself is quite powerful, goes up to 11,000 RPM, and it should pack a bit of a punch, to be quite honest with you. So right, what we've got to do first off is charge it. So what I'll do, I'll plug the USB charger into, I'll use a phone charger pack for this, and you've probably got a phone charger pack knocking around somewhere. You could use the same. Right, stay tuned and we'll get it charged up. Right, so there you go, I've got myself a little phone charger. I've plugged my USB-C cable into the port at the bottom there. Now it's just a matter of charging it. Right, so been waiting on charge for about an hour or so. There should be enough charge in there for us to have a look. Right, so unplug the little fan. I really can't stress how good quality that actually feels when you pick it up. It's quite a heavy little unit in the hand now. So I'm going to suggest, let's go for this one, shall we? Now it's got a thread on it, and they screw in to the end of the fan like so. That gives you directional nozzle. Now obviously we need a car to clean, so let's take the top off of the touring car and have a look, see what we can do. Right, so straight away, get your car. On the bottom of the fan there's a button. Wow. Right, so get your car. On the bottom of the fan there's a button. Hold the button and hear the motor kick in. On the side there you've got your speed settings. The further up there you go, faster the fan gets. Like a decent blow going on there. You literally get in there, clear out all the carpet fluff. That's pretty powerful. Obviously it does what you need it to do. It blows air. Definitely say that packs a punch. Change your nozzle over. Simple as that. Unscrew as usual. Screw it back in. Power on. Yeah. As you can see, nice. It's got quite a good kick to it. Now, it feels good. It's making a lot of noise and it's pushing out air. What more can I say? If you want a decent quality fan, cleaning out the dirt on your RC car, then the GT Power JETFAN 2 is definitely the way to go. Looks pretty good too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this little basic video. Get out and buy a JETFAN 2. Thank you very much. Goodbye.